Hi guys, I'm Ian. I'm a bush pilot in Mount Botswana.
We request your transit from Mount to Victoria Falls at flight level 95. Your TMA.
This weekend we are going camping in the heart of the Okavango Delta. It's going to be bush camping. We're going to pack a boat, take a guide, and we're going to head upstream just to camp wild under the stars with wild animals all around us next to a river. So I reckon it's going to be amazing. So please join us on this adventure and let's go see what the Okavango Delta looks like. Boom! Packed up and ready to go on our Okavango adventure, but it's freezing outside. I'm saying freezing, it's very cold for Botswana. This is probably about 10 degrees, so we are quite well kitted with shorts, and yeah, we're just waiting for our vehicle and then we'll be on our way. Crossed the buffalo fence, just had to sign in because we're now officially in the Okavango Delta. We just quickly stopped over here for our first coffee break, nice little stop. So this is actually wild, there's actually animals around here. Right, morning number one. So we camped here last night. Brilliant little spot. We got our own private hippo pool over there, and we got the sunrise. Look at this view. Behind me, you'll see our shower facilities got set up for us by our camp guide. Let me show you a bit. It's open in the bush, it's nice in the sun. Whole weekend still pretty cold. So that will basically be your shower for view. Last night we saw a hyena walking through our camp quite early, around 8 or so. So there's definitely some wild animals around. But I mean, how awesome is that for a little bush shower? It's got hot water, everything. So, and then that's your view from the shower. This is the back of our little camp, a little tent. We've got our own ensuite toilet at the back here, which I think is quite nice. If we go into this side, we go into the tent, and I mean, you can stand up in the tent. We've got it's bed rolls and a lot of blankets, so we really slept comfortable and very warm. Like you might have noticed, this weekend was probably one of the coldest weekends I've experienced in Botswana. So, but today is quite nice. Now we're gonna pack up tents and then back onto the boat and back to reality again. So let's start doing that.
Africa, we shall never forget. Beautiful Africa. Beautiful.